Hello, this is Thomas Adrian from ITSM, and today I'm going to show you how to auto-create a problem when a master incident is declared in Ivanti Neurons for ITSM, allowing you to perform root cause analysis on the major issues occurring in your organization. In my last video, I showed you how to auto-create an alert. In this video, we'll expand on that to auto-create the problem record, although it's not necessary to do the alert first or at all, depending on your preference. So logged in as administrator, we're going to go ahead and go to the back end, go to our business objects, go to incident, go to our business rules, expand triggers. And if you created that master incident created on the alert video, we can just expand off of that one, or you can create this alert. This alert is on initialize or update is master incident is set to true. We'll go next because we built this as a composite action. We'll go next again, and then we'll do add new. We're going to insert a child object. We're going to call this create problem. The relationship here is going to be problem associates incident. And then we're going to start setting some of our fields here. So for the category, you can just select whichever category you'd like. For the description, we're going to use the symptom. For the owner team, you can select your owner team if you have like your problem management team, or if you want the team to be the current team of whoever's declaring this major incident or master incident, you can always use the expression owner team here, and that will put in the current owner team of the incident that is being used. But we'll go ahead and use our problem management team since we still have that. You can set priorities if you would like. You can set the service to be linked, remembering that you can have multiple services on a problem, but this will link that service coming from the incident. Our source is going to be incident management. Our status will be logged. Our summary is going to be the subject of the incident. And then if you have any other additional required fields that you've configured for problem management, you're going to want to make sure that you have set those in this trigger as well. So we'll go ahead and save that. Now we can see that we have our problem added on to this when we declare a master incident. So back on our front end here, if we go to incident management and we declare this is our master incident, we're going to see that we have our problem record that has been created from this particular incident. We go here, we can then see that that service has been linked. And we can also see that the incidents are being linked to this problem as well. So that is how you auto-create a problem record to do root cause analysis on the major issues that you're facing in your organization. Thanks for watching.
Please don't forget to like and subscribe for more useful how-to videos. Until next time, this is Thomas Adrian from NCSM.